Friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. This video how to take screenshot without power button. Assistant menu method. Go to settings, go to accessibility, interconnect and delete textures. Assistant menu on. Allow assistant menu, have full control for your phone. Allow this assistant menu, home page, this assistant menu, this Google folio answers. Okay, assistant menu, this select this option screenshot. Okay, screenshot now. Screenshot assistant menu without power button mode. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.